Yes, beta. Page number?
43.
Page number 30?
Ma'am, 43.
43, yes. Paragraph?
Ma'am, from you are well.
Well, write
Same
down.
paragraph.
That is the second last para. Put the date. Written?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now. So, Sadao, you know, he decides something, and this man, prisoner of war, he took a razor and he shaved himself, and when he shaved, his face was very clear, and there was somewhat a faint color in his cheeks. Okay, and when Sadao meets him, he says that I am very well. Now, Sadao, he decides that he could not, okay, bear this stress, this tension anymore, and he decides something. What does he decide? See now. You are well, Sadao agreed. He lowered his voice. You are so well that I think if I put my boat on the shore tonight with food and extra clothing in it, you might be able to row to that little island not far from the coast. Clear? Now he says, ki now you're fit and fine. I'm going to give you my boat. I'm going to put it on the shore. Shore means on the coast. And in it, he will put some food and extra clothing. Right? So that he might row it to the island that is not far away from the coast. Coast se dur nahi island. There he will go. It is so near the coast that it has not been worth fortifying. And Dr. Sadao says that that island which he shows to him where prisoner is supposed to go, he says that it is so near the coast that the government did not think to fortify it. Okay, uski koi kilebandi वगैरह नहीं करी हुई है. Nobody lives on it because in storm it is submerged. Submerged, you got it? Gets drowned, gets sink into the water, right? And it has not been fortified. Nobody lives there. Why? Because when there is sea storm, it gets submerged into the water. Are you getting the plan of Dr. Sadao, beta?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
But this is not the season of storm. Now he says, he convinces him. Okay, ki right now the island, it will not be submerged. Why? This is not the season of storm. You could live there until you saw a Korean fishing boat pass by. Okay, and you can live there, stay there until and unless you see a Korean fishing boat, it passes by. They pass quite near the island because the water is many fathoms deep there. Okay, and they just pass near the island. Why? Because the water, you know, it is many fathoms deep. Fathom, you know, sea measurement. Okay, it is many fathoms deep there. It means when the Korean fishing boat, he wants to say, when the Korean fishing boats, they pass by the island, stop one of them, sit in it, and very well you will be saved, you will be out of this country. The young man stared at him, slowly comprehending, do I have to? Means I have to do all this? I think so, Sadao said gently. You understand it is not hidden that you are here. Okay, Sadao was very kind-hearted, right, beta? And he says, of course, you have to do it. Why? Because it is not hidden, okay, that you are living here. You are staying here with us. The young man nodded in perfect comprehension. Okay, he understood and he nodded his head. Okay, he said simply. Now Sadao did not see him again until evening. As soon as it was dark, he had dragged the stout boat down to the shore, and in it he put food and bottled water that he had bought secretly during the day. Now secretly, he did not even tell Hana about his plan, okay? And as soon as it became dark, he dragged his stout, means somewhat strong boat, to the coast, to the shore, and inside the boat he put food and bottled water, okay, water bottles, he food, and he bought it secretly during the day, and as well as two quilts also, so that he might not feel cold. Okay, he had bought at a pawn shop The boat he tied to a post in the water, for the tide was high. Okay. Now what did he do? He did not keep the boat there. Okay. He tied it to a post. Post समझते हो ना? A long nail type है ना? जिससे बोट टाई करी जाती है. ठीक है. तो उससे उसने बोट टाई कर दी, because the tide, you know, the water waves were high. If he wouldn't have tied, the boat would have gone into the water. There was no moon and he worked without a flashlight. Okay, no moonlight was there, but he worked without a flashlight, without a torch. Clear up till here, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. When he came to the house, he entered as though he was just back from his work, and so Hannah knew nothing. और ये पूरा arrangement करने के बाद he enters the home and he acts as if he had returned from his office, from his work, because Hannah, she did not know anything and Sada was not interested in telling her right now. Yumi was here today, she said, as she served his supper. Though she was so modern, still she did not eat with him. Okay, and then Hannah informs that Yumi had come today while serving him the supper, the evening meal. And though Hannah was so educated, but still she did not eat with the husband. She ate after the husband ate. Yumi cried over the baby. She went on with a sigh. She misses him so. And she further says that Yumi, you know, she was crying for the baby. Why? Because she misses the baby a lot. The servants will come back as soon as the foreigner is gone, Sadao said. Ab Sada usko convince karte, don't worry, as soon as the foreigner is gone, the servants, they would be back. And then he went into the guest room that night before he went to bed himself and checked carefully the American's temperature, check kara, the state of wound, condition us wound ki, where he was operated, heart rate and pulse, everything he checked. The pulse was irregular, but that was perhaps because of excitement. Pulse थोड़ी irregular थी, लेकिन doctor समझ गया why, because of excitement, that very soon he would be saved, he would go away from here. The young man's pale lips were pressed together and his eyes burned. Only the scars on his neck were red. I realize you are saving my life again, he told Sada. Okay, very, very much obliged. And he says, I realize very well that you are saving my life. Not at all, Sadao said, it is only inconvenient to have you here any longer. Sadao says that this is not the thing. Actually, when you are staying with us, it's really very inconvenient, okay, for us to bear you now, to keep you in a house. He had hesitated a good deal about giving the man a flashlight. A flashlight जो torch थी है ना, वो थोड़ा सा hesitate होता है in giving the man, but finally he decided to give it to him after all. It was a small one, his own flashlight it was, which he used at night when he was called to the office. If your food runs out, means if the food finishes before you catch a boat, उसको instruct करता है, सुनना, signal me 2 flashes at the same instant the sun drops over the horizon. Okay, horizon, you know what is horizon? What is horizon?
From the ground level.
Huh? Yes, Aishwarya? What
Ma'am,
is
from the
horizon?
ground level as the sun rises.
From the ground level, where the earth and the sky seems to meet, you know, that is horizon. Right? And other students, they are dumb. They don't know to speak. Disgusting, very disgusting. Being the students of class 10th. Like dumb people, you attend the class, fine. Listen, understand or not, it hardly matters, no response, and then just move away. So bad. Only Aishwarya is always there with the answers, and if there is Sumit, then he is there. Otherwise, all are least concerned, then why do you attend the class? So now he says that when the food, you know, it finishes, send me 2 flash of the, means torch, flashlight, but when it becomes a little bit dark. Do not signal in darkness. When it is complete darkness, he instructs not to signal, for it will be seen, isn't it? Darkness में signal करेगा, surely it will be seen. Okay, the torchlight would be seen. और फिर suspect कर लिया जाएगा कि who is there, why? Because nobody lives there on that island. Why nobody lives there on that island? Why?
Because it was
Harshita
submerged.
Jain, you quite, Aishwarya. Harshita Jain, why nobody lives in that island, on that island? Yes, Harshita Jain. Should I remove you?
Ma'am, submerged.
Huh? What? Harshita Jain, I'm talking to you. I'm not talking to any other student. Your name is Harshita only, na? Answer it.
It was submerged.
It gets submerged. It was not submerged. What do you mean by submerged? Siddharth Jain, what is submerged? Hurry up before I remove you. Answer it. Siddharth Jain, what is submerged?
Flood.
What is submerged? You cannot listen. You cannot hear me. What is submerged? Look at the conditions. Just for the attendance sake, you people are attending the class. What is submerged? I tell you the meaning, but you do not take any pains to write down the meaning also.
Ma'am,
Yes, Harshita.
ma'am, sink into ocean.
Sinking, drowning, okay, fine. After a very long time, you try to find out the meaning and then you're speaking. When I ask you to write down the meaning, why don't you people write it? I don't understand. Does your fingers ache? You must write it. That would be easier for you to learn the answers as well when the meanings would be written in simple words. Be serious, you all are the board students. So now he says that when you are going to, okay, when the food it becomes short, then just give me 2 flashes at the same time when the sun it is about to set, and do not signal in darkness, otherwise the light it could be seen and you could be suspected. Okay. You will find fresh fish easy to catch, but you must eat them raw. A fire would be seen. और वहां पर fresh fish मिल जाएंगी. Eat them raw, कच्ची खाना. Otherwise, when you're going to lit the fire, it might be seen. Okay, the young man breathed. He was dressed now in the Japanese clothes which Sadao had given him, and at the last moment, Sadao wrapped a black cloth about his blonde head. Why did he wrap a black cloth about his blonde hair? Golden brown hair he had, na?
So no one can recognize him as an Indian, as an American
As an
man.
American. Very good, Aishwarya. Nobody could recognize him as an American. Okay, why? Because the Japanese, the Chinese, they have black silky hair. They don't have blonde hair. Okay, blonde hair नहीं होते उनके. तो एक सदाव ने क्या करा, उसको black cloth जो था he tied around his head. Now Sadao said, the young American without a word shook Sadao's hand warmly. Okay, now means you move. And then he shook Sadao's hand warmly and then walked quite well across the floor and down the step into the darkness of the garden. Once, twice, Sadao saw his light flash to find his way. Now he just went down the step into the garden. देखता है कि he had put his light on the torch, okay, to see the way. but that could not be suspected. He waited until from the shore there was no one more flash. Okay. And now this, while lighting the torch, it cannot be suspected at that time. But why? Because he wasn't anywhere. He was there just near Sadao's house. And from the shore also, from the coast also, there was one more flash, and then he closed the partition. And that night he slept. Okay. He had a good sleep, Dr. Sadao. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
You say the man escaped, the general asked faintly. Now he goes and informed the general that the man escaped. He did not tell him that he made him escape. Got it? He did all the arrangements and he made him run away from there. He made him escape. कुछ नहीं बोला डॉक्टर सदाव ने कि मैंने उसको भगा दिया. ऐसा कुछ नहीं. उसने क्या बोला जनरल को कि पता नहीं, because it is warm, the outer partition is always open, as you said, कि the assassins will come. आपने कहा था कि assassins आएंगे, murderers आएंगे, तो मैंने खोल के रखा. मुझे क्या मालूम कि वो तो खुद ही भाग गया, escape हो गया. He had been operated upon a week before, an emergency operation to which Sadao had been called in the night. Okay. Now you get the reason, beta. Generally, you failed to send the assassins. Why? Because he had an emergency operation. Got it? So Dr. Sadao was called for that emergency operation, and this was the reason he failed to send the assassins. For 12 hours, Sadao had not been sure the general would live. Okay, such a critical operation it was. Ki 12 hours tak it was not sure whether this general he would survive or not. The gallbladder was much involved. Then the old man had begun to breathe deeply again and to demand. Okay, koi gallbladder, it was to be operated and all. For old man, he started breathing deeply, taking long breath, and then he demanded food. Then Sadao had not been able to ask about the assassins, and that was the reason Sadao was not able to ask about the assassins, about the murderers. So far as he knew, they had never come, and as far as Dr. Sadao was alive at night, alive means awakened at night, okay, the assassins did not come, and the fourth night he made that man run away from there. The servants had returned and Yumi had cleaned the guest room thoroughly and had burned sulfur in it to get the white man smell out of it. Now, as soon as the news it reached to the servants also, ki the man he ran away, American prisoner of war, the servants they returned back to their work, and Yumi, he cleaned the room with sulfur so that even the smell of that American shouldn't be there. Nobody said anything, only the gardener was cross, means angry, because he had got behind with this chrysanthemums. Chrysanthemums are the flowers, beautiful flowers. They grow in the month of November. है ना, पिंक रेडिश ऐसे होते हैं. ठीक है, तो वो खराब हो गए थे, इसलिए he was quite angry. But after a week, Sadao felt the general was well enough to be spoken to about the prisoner. And after a week, Dr. Sadao, he finds that the general, now he was okay, he was much better, and he could be spoken about the prisoner. Okay. Now, this Dr. Sadao, he felt that I can talk to him about the prisoner. Then he informs him that that man he escaped, वो आदमी जो था वो escape हो गया. Yes, Excellency, he escaped, Sadao said. He coughed, signifying that he had not said all he might have said, but was unwilling to disturb the general further. But the old man opened his eyes suddenly. कहने के बाद coughing करता है, उसके बाद वो नहीं चाहता that he should disturb the old general, why he was operated, okay. लेकिन जब थोड़ा ठीक हो जाता है तब वो इन्फॉर्म करता है, और ओल्ड मैन सुनते ही opens his eyes suddenly. That prisoner, he said with some energy, did I not promise you I would kill him for you? Okay. General कहते हो, but I promise you that I am going to get him killed for you so that you may be saved. You did, Excellency. Of course, you told me, Excellency. Well, the old man said in a tone of amazement. So I did. Of course, I made a promise, but you see, I was suffering a good deal. अब वो जनरल जो है बेचारा काफी गिल्टी फील कर रहा है एंड ही इज जस्ट giving clarification ki Dr. Sadav ko ki Sadav, see, you know, I became so serious, my condition, it was critical. The truth is I thought of nothing but myself. I was having so much of pain, I was suffering so much ki us samay I became somewhat selfish. I did not think about you, but I thought of myself only. In short, I forgot my promise to you. This could have happened with anybody, isn't it? जो बहुत सफर कर रहा हो किसी बीमारी से या फिजिकल पेन से, तो at that time the person forgets the promise. Okay, that is done to some other person. Same happened with the general also, and his condition, it had been very critical. For how many hours did the operation it took place? It continued for how many hours? Why Sumit is quiet today? Sumit, what happened to you today?
No, ma'am, nothing.
Feeling sleepy? For how many
No,
hours
ma'am.
did the operation it continued? For how many
12 to
hours?
13 hours.
12 hours.
11.
Okay. 12 hours it continued. Okay. तो उस समय इतनी कंडीशन क्रिटिकल थी कि वो कहता है I forgot my promise to. Yes, I wondered, Your Excellency, Sadav. Okay, murmuring बहुत धीमी आवाज में कहता है yes. I wondered about it, that you forgot your promise. Stop here only. The last part will be done tomorrow. Okay.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, everybody. Take care
Thank
and
you,
better
ma'am.
revise, better be serious.